In this video, we're going to show you how to install the website chat widget to your website to generate more leads and create more sales conversations from the people that are already visiting your website. We'll also show you how to add more team members to your account so they can help you with follow-up and lead management. Now, to install the web chat widget to your website, if we click on Launchpad, you can see the step-by-step tutorial on how to go through and get everything started. So under this generate leads for your website by connecting web chat widget, we can click on connect. You can put in your website URL and click continue and go through the steps. Or another way to install this web chat widget is by clicking on sites, click on chat widget, and from here we can customize this website chat widget that will install onto your website. You can customize the image, customize the text, and then if we come down and click on widget window, we can come over here and change the color of your website chat widget to match your branding. Now from here, all we have to do is click on get code, and then we click copy code. And then if you have the access to the back end of your website, all you'll do is paste this code into the body or the footer section of your website. Now, if you're unsure on where that is on your website, you can easily go through and message the support team with whatever website service that you use, and they'll be able to help you out. Or if you have an IT person or a developer, you can also copy this code and send this code to them, and they'll be able to paste it in the body or the footer section, and this website chat widget will immediately show up on your website. Now, let's show you how to add team members to your account so they can help you with lead follow-up and lead management. So all we're gonna do is click on settings, and then from here, we'll click on my staff, and you can see you have all of your team members right here. If you'd like to add a new team member, all you have to do is click on add employee, put in their name, their email, their phone number, and any other necessary information, and give them different permissions of what you would like them to be able to see, as well as roles. So if you'd like them to be a user or an admin, and then from here, all you do is click save, and you will have just added a new team member to your account. Now, as a quick recap, in this video, we showed you how to add new team members, as well as how easy it was to install your own website chat widget on your website to create more leads and more sales conversations from the people that are already visiting your website.